Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HS is blowing hot air but failing to dry your hair, you're likely facing a common issue. This can occur due to a clogged filter or a malfunctioning heating element. If left unaddressed, you may find your hairdryer becoming completely inoperable, leading to unnecessary frustration. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a screwdriver set, a soft cloth, a replacement heating element, and a small brush for cleaning. First, let's open the device safely. Begin by unplugging the hairdryer to ensure your safety. Using a small screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located at the base. Make sure to keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing using a soft cloth to avoid scratching the surface. Now, let's identify the faulty component. Look for the heating element, which is usually located towards the back of the device. Check for any signs of damage or blockages. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To extract the heating element, disconnect the wires carefully. Be sure to note where each wire connects, as you'll need to replicate this when installing the new part. Gently pull the heating element out, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. Once removed, take your replacement heating element and insert it into the same position. Reconnect the wires where you noted them earlier, ensuring they are secure but not overly tight to avoid damage. Now it's time to reassemble the hairdryer. Align the casing back together and replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping the threads. Once closed, plug the device back in and switch it on to check that it's functioning correctly. If the air is hot and your hair is drying as it should, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this problem from recurring, regularly clean the filter and ensure there are no blockages in the air intake. Additionally, avoid using the hairdryer in excessively humid environments, as this can lead to moisture buildup inside the unit. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.